As digital art and illustration surge in popularity, fueled by illustrators, typists moving into design, and even gamers exploring concept art, the demand for a reliable tablet grows. Whether you're sketching on the go or working long hours on detailed pieces, a good tablet balances stylus responsiveness, build quality, screen layout, or lack thereof, and overall value.
Product number 1. Graphics Drawing Tablet. This graphics drawing tablet, non-screen, pen tablet style, represents the classic approach to digital illustration. You draw on the tablet surface while watching the results on your computer monitor. For artists comfortable splitting hand movement and visual feedback, this model offers simplicity and affordability. Because it lacks a display, the build tends to be lightweight, slim, and portable, a good match for travel or sketch-on-the-go workflows. The stylus is usually battery-free and pressure-sensitive, often with thousands of pressure levels, enabling expressive strokes and smooth shading. The lack of screen also makes it more durable and less fragile than pen display alternatives. As long as you're comfortable with hand-eye coordination, drawing on the tablet while looking at a separate monitor, the graphics drawing tablet provides a blank canvas for creativity at a modest price. It may feel less intuitive if you're used to drawing directly where you see the lines. Transferring traditional drawing habits to this setup can take time, but once you do, it often becomes a highly efficient and fast tool for line art, inking, and coloring.
Product number 2. Wacom Intuo Small Graphics Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Intuo Small is one of the most widely recommended non-screen tablets for illustrators at beginner or intermediate level. Its compact size and straightforward setup make it ideal for those just getting into digital art. Because it doesn't include a screen, the tablet remains lightweight, perfect for small desks, tight workspaces, or digital artists on the move. Despite its modest size, the pen offers enough pressure sensitivity for expressive strokes, and many artists find the pen-to-tablet feel surprisingly natural. The build quality is solid and durable, often described as premium for the price, especially compared to cheap generic tablets. It also tends to integrate seamlessly with popular creative software, whether you're working in vector illustration, digital painting, or photo editing. As a result, the Wacom Intuo Small remains a dependable workhorse for everyday digital art. That said, because you draw blind, that is, you look at the monitor, not at your hand, it can feel more abstract and less like traditional drawing until you build muscle memory. For those starting out or looking for a reliable, affordable tool for line work and concept sketches, it remains a dependable choice.
Product number 3. The Picasso Tab A10 Drawing Tablet. The Picasso Tab A10 stands out by being a standalone drawing tablet, meaning you don't need a separate computer to create art. It's a convenient option for illustrators who want mobility and simplicity. Just power it on, grab the stylus, and you're ready to draw. This independence from a PC makes it ideal for travel, sketching outdoors, or casual creativity without wrestling with cables. Its portability is a major advantage. With a compact screen size, it balances workspace and mobility quite well. Many beginners appreciate the convenience, especially if they're just exploring digital art, learning basic tools, or experimenting without investing in a full desktop setup. The bundled stylus and pre-installed drawing apps make it a near plug-and-play solution, lowering the barrier to entry. This convenience comes with trade-offs. The screen size and hardware capabilities limit its suitability for highly detailed, professional-level artwork. For serious illustrators working with high resolution, complex compositions, or demanding color accuracy, the Picasso Tab may feel restrictive. Battery life can also be a concern if you draw for extended periods, a potential downside for longer sessions.
Product number 4. Huion Canvas 13 Gen 3 Drawing Tablet with Screen. If you prefer drawing directly on the display, much like drawing on paper, the Huion Canvas 13 Gen 3 offers an excellent balance of features, portability, and price. As a pen display tablet with a fully laminated screen, you get minimal parallax, the tiny gap between stylus tip and on-screen stroke,
making the drawing feel natural and precise. The 13.3-inch Full HD screen gives enough real estate for detailed illustrations while remaining compact for desk use or travel. The pen supports high pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, delivering varied brush strokes, essential for shading, line work, and expressive illustration. Another benefit? The laminated screen reduces glare and improves color accuracy, which is crucial for artists working on polished, color-heavy pieces. The customizable express keys on some canvas models also speed up workflow by letting you map shortcuts, a real perk when working intensively in applications like Photoshop or Clip Studio Paint.
Product number 5, UIGEE S640 Graphics Drawing Tablet. The UIGEE S640 is another non-screen graphics tablet that delivers strong value, especially for artists on a budget or those who want a compact, lightweight drawing solution. Its pen is battery-free with high pressure sensitivity and support for tilt, giving you enough control for expressive strokes, shading, and clean line art. Tablets for artists. Though small and minimalistic, the S640 offers impressive customization. It includes programmable shortcut keys and good driver support for different operating systems: Windows, macOS, Android, and even Linux. This versatility extends its use beyond just illustration, into graphic design, photo editing, and other creative workflows. Tablets for artists. The tablet's build quality and responsiveness have earned praise from many users who find it almost on par with pricier tablets like the Wacom Intuos. Tablets for artists. Its major strengths are portability and simplicity. If you have limited desk space, travel often, or want a secondary device for quick sketches, the UIGEE S640 hits the mark. On the downside, because it lacks a screen, you'll need to rely on a separate monitor, which can feel unintuitive at first if you're accustomed to drawing directly on screen. For detailed painting or large canvases, the small active area can feel cramped.